YouTube fan? What's going on? So I'm back at this same place where you guys have seen me before, and today I got something epic planned. Dw's with me, and he's gonna chase my truck with this drone while I'm doing something epic. Come here, I want to show you guys something. So I got my Losi and my X-Max, and I'm here at this construction site where they have all those dirt hills where I was bashing in the last video with the storm. And I got my ramp up there, but let me show you. I want to show you what I'm talking about here real quick. It's gonna be epic, guys. I'm breaking stuff anyway, so I might as well try to go viral while I break stuff. I'm almost guaranteed to break stuff today. But hopefully it makes an epic video for you guys and you guys enjoy it. Check it out. Here's my ramp. You can't really tell on camera, but this is like a straight up and down dirt cliff, probably 20, 30 feet high. So I'm gonna hit this ramp as fast as I can get going and launch it out there. He's gonna be chasing me with the drone. I'm gonna have my drone up in the air, and we're gonna have multiple cameras on the ground to get different angles. So without rambling here too much, let's hit that ramp. Let's get this party started. All right, guys, something was stripped on the Losi, so we're just going straight to the X-Max. We tried to do it with the Losi, and something was messed up on it. Switch out, wouldn't go. So we're just gonna do it with the X-Max. Here we go. Gotta put these cameras on the floor, all together.
We had it made, yeah. Your cheeks, your blushing, Bonnie and Clyde. Well, it's all or nothing. We need the pace, yeah. We need the drama. We own this place, yeah. We own this place. It's all or nothing. It's all or nothing. We had it made, guys. Gold in my pocket, up away, yeah. Just like a rocket. We need the bass and we need the drama. We own this place, yeah. We own this place. It's all or nothing.
Heck yeah. Didn't even break it. Go again.
It's all or nothing. We had it made, yeah. Your cheeks, your blushing, Bonnie and Clyde. Well, it's all or nothing. We need the pace, yeah. We need the drama. We own this place, yeah. We own this place.
1, 2, 3. Here we go.
It's all or nothing. It's all or nothing. It's all or nothing. It's all or nothing.
Well, the body come off, but I don't think it's broke, guys. Nah, it ain't broke. Let's try it a few more times.
Help me see all the birds and all the bees and all the trees. Help me feel everything around me. Help me in the vibrations of the universe inside of me. Help me beat the shit out of my ego, please. Forever. Together. sunset and the time between them. Let us stay forever young and never die.
Falling down the cliff. Yep. Yeah, we broke the A-arm. Snapped it, guys. Oh well, that was fun. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash that like button. Later, guys. Limping this thing back to the truck. Limping, limping, limping. That's funny. Look at it, guys.